Okay, I'm going to show you what not to do and why not to do it. I'm working on a 90 model Chevrolet truck. They had problems with the paint not sticking to the primer from the factory. Somebody sanded this truck and painted it, and I'm going to show you why it's a necessity that if you're unsure of or know there's a known issue, you sand all of the original stuff off before you paint your new product over the top of it. Because what you end up with is a brand new paint job over the top of a 10-year-old paint job, and you're only as good as your foundation. So you end up with a fresh, shiny top layer and 10-year-old bottom layer. The breakdown is still happening underneath. So the right way to do it is sand it down, prep your metal, and go back from the start with all new material to get the most amount of life out of it. And I'm fixing to show you a perfect example of why. And here we go. Personally, I'm tickled to find this because my prep time just got cut down big time. Instead of having to sand through 10 layers of shit to get to the foundation, I now am going to blow the shit off the top, and I'm already there. I've just got to sand through the primer to the metal, do my metal work, whatever needs to be done, and then I'm going to put from the foundation up. New primer sealer, block it out, new base coat, new clear coat, and I will have 100% new paint job that's going to last me as long as a new paint job should if taken care of. So that's your garage tip of the day.